Ensure the new wooden door stop lines up perfectly with the top frame so the door closes fully and seals against drafts. Begin by measuring the vertical gap from the top frame to the face of the jamb at 3 points. Left edge, center, and right edge, then record the smallest measurement as your reference. Cut the doorstop slightly longer than needed and plane or sand the end for a precise fit so you can trim for a tight butt joint at the corner. Use a square to mark 90-degree cuts and a pencil line for the face alignment so the stop sits flush with the jamb face and does not protrude into the door swing. Before fastening, dry fit the stop and close the door to check contact across the full leaf, looking for any high spots or gaps. Note where the stick touches the door and where it does not. If the stop is too tight at a point, remove a small amount with a plane or sandpaper starting with a 1/16 of an inch and recheck, repeating until the door closes smoothly without binding. When nailing, start with a couple of finish nails at each end, then test the door again before driving the remaining nails to avoid pulling the stop out of alignment. Use wood glue sparingly if you want additional hold without warping. Common mistakes include cutting the stop to the wrong length, which causes gaps at the corner. The fix is to always cut long, then trim incrementally for a tight joint. Another issue is not checking the top frame for twist or bow, so the stop sits unevenly. Take 3-point measurements and plane the jamb or shim behind the stop where needed to create a flat mounting surface. A third problem is driving all nails immediately, which pulls the stop out of plane. Secure ends first, test the door, then add remaining nails slowly so you can adjust position for a flush closure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for door jamb and stop work and provides a place for contractors to find new jobs. We host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, troubleshooting experience, and recommendations related to door alignment and installation.